This is our What You Were Wearing exhibit, and this really stems from a national movement which started at the University of Arkansas in 2013.
So in 2018, OU's Survivor Advocacy program and Women's Center decided to bring it here on campus. So they collected clothing from OU student survivors and people from the community.
So the What Were You Wearing exhibit brings 42 collections of outfits and stories from survivors. Some of the outfits are provided by the survivors, and then other outfits were closely mimicking the descriptions that they provided, but the descriptions share the clothing that they were wearing at the time of the assault.
The idea is that, oftentimes, not oftentimes, too many times, survivors are asked, well, what were you wearing? And what people are wearing has absolutely nothing to do with them being assaulted. So as you can see, there's pajamas, there's sweatpants. Survivor's outfit, not relevant, but it's always asked.
It's a very empowering and powerful exhibit. What we really are hoping is to cultivate this sense of hope, in that we can all be a part of raising awareness, supporting survivors, but also that we all can be responsible for preventing harm across our campus and community. I want to thank all the survivors that have first and foremost been so courageous and bold and brave to share their experience in this exhibit.
I hope that when people come to view the exhibit, that they recognize that every single survivor's experience is unique, and that there's not a right or a wrong way to be a survivor, but what they can do is support that survivor so they can hold space for them, start by believing them, and then also just be someone that they can go to and kind of be a safe space for them.